Imagine waking up tomorrow to find your expensive PlayStation 5 Pro is completely obsolete. Think about looking at your $500 gaming console. Now realize a tiny, silent $99 box from Apple just made it completely useless. The living room war is officially over. Almost nobody saw the final strike coming. For years, we totally ignored that little black box sitting quietly under our televisions. We viewed the Apple TV as just a simple accessory. We used it to watch Netflix or mirror our iPhones. But right now, in 2026, Apple is finally pulling the trigger. They're unleashing a massive secret strategy built over a decade. If you are thinking about buying a high-end Roku, a smart home hub, or a massive gaming console, stop immediately. The 2026 Apple TV 4K is not a basic hardware update. It is a total reimagining of your entire home center. If you think you know what an Apple TV does, erase that from your mind. The rules of the tech world have changed overnight. Today we are going deep behind the curtain to reveal the truth. We are exposing the leaked A18 Bionic silicon. This chip turns this tiny device into a stealth gaming monster. We are breaking down the incredible $99 price. This price is designed to wipe out all competition instantly. And we are looking at the terrifying new Apple Intelligence integration. It makes every other smart TV look like a broken calculator from the 90s. Sit tight. Your living room will never be the same. Let us start with the absolute heart of this new beast. We must talk about the revolutionary new silicon inside this box. In the past, Apple simply gave the Apple TV a recycled chip. It was usually a year or two old. Everyone assumed it did not need much power just to stream standard 4K movies. That old way of thinking is dead in 2026. Massive industry leaks confirm Apple is jumping straight ahead. They are using the incredibly powerful A18 Bionic chip. There are even strong rumors about a highly specialized M-series processor. Why would Apple put a massive supercomputer chip inside a cheap TV box? The answer comes down to two important words: Apple Intelligence. To run this new, locally processed version of Siri, you need unbelievable computing power. This is not the old, useless Siri. This is highly advanced AI. It actually understands deep context. It flawlessly remembers your previous questions and commands. Most importantly, it completely controls your entire home. It does this without ever sending your private data to a distant cloud server. You need massive neural processing power too. Make this happen instantly. Because of this, 8 GB of RAM is the new standard baseline. That is a massive 100% memory increase over the previous generation. Apple is arming this device to the teeth. Here is exactly where the situation becomes incredibly dangerous for gaming giants like Sony and Microsoft. With that lightning-fast A18 chip comes something totally unexpected. We are talking about true, hardware-accelerated ray tracing in a streaming box. We have already watched Apple bring massive video games to their mobile platforms. Huge blockbuster titles like Resident Evil and Assassin's Creed play perfectly on iPhones. The 2026 Apple TV 4K is the ultimate final piece of that grand gaming puzzle. This unassuming little box is Apple's Trojan horse. It is sneaking directly into the multi-billion-dollar gaming market. You might originally buy this small device just to watch a new TV show, but you will absolutely stay for the breathtaking gaming experience. It offers true console quality. The best part is, it does not require a massive overheating plastic tower. It absolutely does not require another annoying monthly subscription. You can just play the premium games you already own on your Apple account. Imagine playing visually stunning games in glorious 4K resolution. Imagine a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Now, imagine doing all of this on a completely silent machine. It literally fits right in the palm of your hand. That is the highly disruptive reality that Sony and Microsoft are terrified of right now. Now, let us move forward and talk about the stunning hardware redesign. Current leaks strongly point to a massive move away from the boring old look. We are finally saying goodbye to the thick, black plastic puck design. Instead, we are looking at a much thinner, incredibly sleek profile. It features a highly modern industrial design that looks very premium. It is heavily rumored to use a thermal-efficient aluminum top cover. This solid metal top actually acts as one giant heat sink. It desperately needs to do this. It must keep that powerful A18 chip ice cold during intense gaming sessions. This sleek metal aesthetic will look absolutely incredible in any modern living room. But honestly, the real superstar today is not just the TV box itself. The true, unexpected hero is the completely redesigned remote control. Think about this incredibly frustrating everyday problem for a second. How many times have you lost your tiny Siri remote deep inside the couch cushions? It is a universal struggle that drives families crazy. Well, Apple has finally listened to our endless complaints. The new 2026 Siri remote features the advanced U2 ultra-wideband chip hidden inside. That means absolute precision finding is finally coming to your living room. You can simply pull out your iPhone. You can locate your lost remote with unbelievable centimeter-level accuracy. Furthermore, there are highly credible rumors of a small haptic touch bar. This is built directly onto the side of the remote itself. That small hardware change will completely revolutionize how we skip through videos. There will be absolutely no more accidental fast-forwarding to the end of a movie. This new remote is perfectly engineered for ultimate precision and incredible ease of use.